Hey you guys, thank you for tuning into another video. As you can see, I am in a different setup today because today I want to show you guys my new setup for my warehouse, for my mini warehouse I like to call it. If you guys didn't know, I had made a video recently about where I've been and what I've been doing and kind of like a life update, and in that video I explained to you guys that I had recently quit my job and that I had moved to my parents' house here in Vegas. And so what that means that I also had to pack up my business and move my business to their house as well. So in my previous when I was living by myself in my old when I was living by myself in Arizona, I did have a studio apartment, and then I also had a garage in which the garage was turned around. I never parked my car in there. It was completely set up for my business, and I had all my inventory, all my supplies, like all my workspace, everything was set up in my garage as like a mini warehouse because I was already paying the rent anyway, so why not, you know, double down and use that for my business as well, right? So again, like I said, I just recently quit my job about 3 months ago. I moved in with my parents to kind of save money and save up for, I'm giving myself a year to stay here to kind of just, you know, make sure I'm financially well and, you know, save up and do all the proper steps before I go back to Arizona to make up, you know, to figure out what I want to do. So I'm here. And so with that, I want to show you guys my new setup. I really want to make this video just for you guys so you can be encouraged as to, you know, using the resources that you have. You know, social media will have you believing that you have to jump out there and go get a warehouse and get the keys and show it off, which is definitely goals for me. I mean, I'm not downplaying it. Congratulations to all those who have been able to do that. But right now with me and my business, I'm not there yet. And it may not be the case for you as either, but I utilize what I have and use the resources that I do have to make something work for me and my business so it doesn't overwhelm me within the house. Now, as you can see, I am in their garage. I really, before I moved, I was like, look, I have this big business, like I really need space for my business because I didn't want to take up their house because I already know like that would be a problem. So I was like, what can we do? You have to give me, it's hot, I'm outside. I was like, what can we do to kind of make space for my business, because if I move, my business goes with me, right? So they were like, yeah, well, you can use our space in our garage. And I was like, okay, perfect. Now y'all, they already have a bunch of stuff in their garage. Like, I'm not even gonna show y'all because they probably mad that I was showing their garage looking like this, but they have a ton of stuff. My mom coupons as well, so she has like her whole wall of stuff in which she coupons. It's crowded in here, I'm not gonna lie, it is crowded in here, but we were able to make space for my items. And so I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. You can see it starting to look like, you can see kind of what it looks like in the background, but I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you guys the setup we made here. Okay, so this is the view when you first come in. I'm not going to turn the camera all the way because that's my parents' stuff over there and I don't want to put their stuff on camera. But this is kind of what we did with setting up the shelves on the back wall. And then I do have another shelf over there that has the supplies and then a little workspace. But I'll get up close and show you guys kind of what we have set up here. So when you first walk in, it's my little mannequin. She goes everywhere with me. I remember when I first got her, when I started designing, and I have yet to get rid of her. I don't think I'll ever get rid of her. I just need to clean her. I need to find something to clean that up. But when you come in, I have the same racks that I had initially. So these are what the racks look like. I'm actually going to be organizing them better because when I first got here, I was just so adamant about making sure that my items were up here because I was still getting sales within my move, that I wanted my items just to be up here. So they're not in any particular order, but I do want to put like all the dresses in one because I have tons of dresses and like all the loungewear. So I'm going to organize it better, but for the sake of me being able to see everything, I really pressed them about helping me to get this set up in their garage. So as you can see, everything is kind of organized. Like all the orange biker shorts are here. All the burnt orange ones are here. I have like all these dresses stacked. So everything is kind of organized. All these green olive suits. Everything is organized within like what I have. All these green dresses. But it's not organized in the sense of like where stuff is placed at. So I'm definitely gonna be working on that within the next few days to get it better organized. But I have 1, 2, 3 racks of clothing. I need another one because you guys, I have stuff all under here that I just recently got for spring that I'm selling. And then this is stuff that hasn't even been bagged yet, but it's not stuff that I'm putting out. This is my little workspace. It's just a foldable table that they had, and then this is just some stuff I'm working on, and then some more stuff that needs to be put up. So I'm definitely gonna have to invest. That's what it looks like in this container. I'm definitely gonna have to invest in another container because I don't have anywhere to put all the stuff because all my racks are full. I probably could better organize it, but for the most part they look pretty full. So this rack here, I have the shoes up here that I'm really trying to get rid of those. You come down and you start to get into the bags. These are like older bags that I want to get rid of, and then whatever's left of my spring bags. And then down here is just some accessories, and I want to keep this all kind of like shoes and accessories. I didn't want to put clothes on here, so that way it kind of separated itself. And then some leftover boots for the fall that I'm trying to get rid of as well. Over here is all the supplies. I just have some pins, some more of the guns for tagging. That's thermal paper, and then my stickers, and then some more little odds and ends. And then there's just some it's just some cords down there. I think it's still taped up, but it's just some cords down there. There's my printer that I have yet to set up. This is my suitcase that shouldn't even be over here. And then this one is my last rack that I have, and this is just supplies, so it's just easy to grab things. So I just have some leftover bags. I love these because these are like all my little hang tags that I have. For the focus, all my hang tags are in there. Then I have like, oops, I'm just dropping stuff. I have like stickers in here that I use when I put out orders. This is for boxing tape that I got from Sticker Mule. And then I have like all my thank you cards in here as well. This is just some things that I take when I go on photo shoots. Tissue paper, and then all the poly mailers are down here. And then this is just my big ones, my medium size, and then all the custom ones that I have. Sticker Mule has them where you can get them bigger now, so I'm definitely going to put in an order to get bigger poly mailers like this size that have my label on it like that. And then these are all the plastic pieces that I use to wrap the clothing in when I ship it. And then this is just some bags and random stuff down there. But yeah, you guys, this is my new setup in the garage. That's what it looks like. So as you guys can see, it's nothing fancy, but it does the job. And again, this video is just to show you guys that use the resources that you have. Don't be discouraged by maybe the limited items or resources that you may have. Make it work for you the best you can. And then as you grow, you continue to grow into larger spaces with more inventory. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was just a real quick, brief video that I want to come on here and show you guys what I'm working with. Stay encouraged. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, definitely leave them down below. If not, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.